You are making your football shorts completely wrong. And that's the reason why your shorts can't make revenue like this. Or this, or this. Because the thing that everyone is making are these highlight shorts. And as you can see, the views are sometimes good, but they are definitely not great. And the reason is quite simple. People don't watch the World Cup just because of football. Football is just the thing that is putting them all together, but the main thing that they're interested is something completely different. So because of that, we can cross out the word football and focus on the things that really matter. And actually, let me show you an example, because this channel is doing a great job. And as you can see, this channel is not making any highlights videos. These videos are completely different, and let's actually watch one of these. Okay, maybe you can say this video felt like a highlight. And yeah, there were some moments from the games that everyone notices. By this point, probably everyone saw this highlight of this certain goal, but the payoff is something completely different. It's a human emotion and the stuff that connects us all. Because right here you can see the kid completely focused on the game, and at the end there's this grandpa which was on this other game. That's what makes this video so relatable. And it's not only this video. Basically all of his videos are focused on friendships, emotions, or some stories about players and fans. And if we go a few months back, this channel was actually making much more than it's making now. And right now you are thinking that you are late for this wave of World Cup shorts. But you are just spot on. Because even though the World Cup started a couple weeks back, the most important part is just around the corner. And the beginning is tomorrow. Because starting tomorrow we are getting into single elimination games. That's usually where the biggest stories happen and the emotions are much more magnified. Another great thing is that these games are now more spaced out. You will essentially get more time to edit the best short out of every single game, and the closer we'll get to finals, the more hype we'll see. And just to clarify, this is the timeline of the whole World Cup and the attention it gets. In the beginning, it's a lot of teams, a lot of games, and basically no one knows where the focus is. But the closer we'll get to finals, the more views we'll see on every single video. And right now we are basically about here. The biggest spike is yet to come, and that's the reason to get into World Cup shorts just about now. And your way in is really simple. You just have to be everywhere. You have to watch every single TikTok, every single Instagram reel about the World Cup. The goal should be to save everything, save the best stories, save the best moments, best reactions, and make shorts combining football and emotion of the viewers. And if I had to start just now, the thing I would make a video about is the Norwegian Row. This video is about the audience, about the people that are watching the games, and everyone feels like they are just part of the whole audience. And as you can see, this TikTok video got over 600,000 views in only about 18 hours, which means that probably some people already took it into shorts, but the thing about shorts is the best video usually wins. So if you make the best quality video, you'll probably get more views than everyone else. And just to prove you these things from TikTok actually work on YouTube, this video simply re-uploaded from TikTok gained 400,000 views in just about few days. But better example is this one. This is also showing the football players doing the Norwegian Row, and this one was uploaded the day after and still got almost 2 million views. And not to gatekeep anything, this is another type of videos that you can actually make about these stories that happen on the World Cup. This one is exactly about this goalkeeper that became really famous. And this video just in about 10 days gained over 8.5 million views. So your main goal is to spot the best stories, the best moments, the best compilations, and it doesn't even have to be the main story that happens on the World Cup. Because the best clips are usually hidden. They are not broadcasted on the major TVs, they are just somewhere on TikTok or on Instagram, and they are clips of these fans and the moments outside of the football field. But the hard reality is that we don't have a lot of time. There's only 3 weeks left of the whole World Cup. So if you really want to make this work, you have to start just now. If you have any more questions, ask them in the comments, and if you would like to work directly with me, you can check out the first link in the description. I will see you soon, and remember, make the most out of this opportunity.